So this showed up at my door, 6 of them to be exact. This is the Thor Mezco Ragnarok 1/12 scale figure. I had forgotten I ordered these when I had owned my shop. I ordered these probably last October. Well, actually no, I ordered this in like October of 2017. He's really cool. I thought I'd keep him and put him up somewhere, he may be on the set or just, you know, down in my collection. When I opened him, I found something kind of interesting that I wanted to address. This little note that came with it. Got a bunch of random stuff about them, but one of the big things on here, and they emphasize it, is that these are not toys and are not meant for children. I think that's interesting because it is a toy. It's a toy. I guess maybe because it's got choking hazards, but toys have choking hazards. This really has no difference than any other like action figure that you can go into Walmart or Target and buy. That's, you know, those $20 figures. I mean, this was not 20 bucks. This was, I think these are $80. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's kind of interesting that they had to put a little thing in here and it says right there and emphasize it. These are not toys, not meant for children. Because it really brings into the documentary I'm working on, like, these are grown people that are collecting toys, but these aren't toys, right? So this will fit into me finding out the why in my documentary, The Collector's Mind. But since he's so cool, I thought I'd just show him off a little bit, show you what you get in here. And I've got 5 others of these, and I don't need 5 of them, so I'm gonna give 1 away. And then I'll just sell the other ones that make up for, you know, the whole purchase of these, because these were not cheap. They're again supposed to be for my store that I no longer own anymore, that I sold. So to win one of these, it'll be pretty simple. There'll be a link down below on how to get one of these for yourself. So just follow those instructions. It'll be super simple. It'll be just like my last giveaway. And I'll pick a winner in like a couple weeks or something. Again, all the information will be down below on how to, you know, to get one of these guys. This giveaway was only for people here in the United States. Sorry, international people. Just can't do it. So I'll go over a couple things he comes with. 3 sets of hands. He comes with 2 swords, an empty sheath, and then there's another sheath with the swords in it. And also a shield and his mace, which is super cool, and 3 head sculpts. And I gotta say, the head sculpt's pretty good. Looks just like Chris Hemsworth. Comes with a stand and also some lightning effects, which are pretty cool. Yeah, this dude's really awesome. The wings on his helmet move, like up and down, just like in the movie when he's like grabbing it and like putting it into place. Not really wings, what would you call those? Like cheek guards or something? It's supposed to be like reminiscence of his original helmet from the comic books, which is pretty cool. He has like a cloth cape. It's not really cloth, it's more like a, what would you call it? It's like an elastic type material, so it's stretchy. The paint detail on it is pretty excellent. And the mace is really cool too. Yeah, he's all cloth. If you're familiar with Mezco, these figures are just pretty stellar. I have a couple of them. I have a Captain America, and I think I have a, what was the other one? I have an Arsenal from DC. Now, I've never talked about those because they were supposed to be a part of this other show that I was working on a couple of years ago. That footage from that series that I was working on will be aired either here or on Patreon. I haven't decided just yet. I still have to edit all that stuff. But anyway, I digress. That will be coming soon, and I actually showcase why I bought the Captain America figure. And I bought that Captain America figure from a non-profit comic book store, which I thought was really cool. So all the proceeds actually went to charity, which was freaking awesome. So I had to buy something, and it was, I think, $10 cheaper than you could get anywhere else. It was brand new, so I don't know, I thought it was a no-brainer. But anyway, back to Thor. He's pretty cool. I highly recommend him. These guys aren't cheap. These are like I said, I think $80 retail, and they only make limited runs of these. So if you ever think about getting one, I would snatch one up right away, because once they're gone, and they quadruple in price. They did do a Hulk from the same movie, so you can get them all like in a cool fighting stuff. Super cool. The articulation on it is pretty damn excellent. Super stiff joints. You can pose them up in all sorts of cool poses. I'm a terrible poser. Very bad poser, actually. I always just get them in a cool heroic stance. That's my poses. It's rare I can ever get something to look cool. My friend Jordan, shout out to Jordan. If you're watching, buddy. How's it going? He's a great poser. He'll come over and just like mess with my stuff and then pose something epically. I'm like, how'd you do that? He's like, ooh, just posed it. So maybe I'll have, have him come over and pose Thor for me and put him up on set somewhere. So yeah, Thor's pretty rad. So I'm giving one of these away, and I also have that leaves me 4 extras. I'll leave a link below if you're curious and just buying them, because I don't need them. I don't have a shop anymore, so I'll just sell them to make up for the some of the cost of the original purchase. So there you go. That's a quick little video for you guys. What do you guys think of the original thing? That these are not for kids. It's a toy. This, I'm sorry people, this is a toy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you are interested in following my other cool adventures, be sure to check out me on the Facebook, the Instagrams, the Patreon, giving away cool stuff over there as well, and exclusive videos such as some of the original Toy King stuff that just never aired, and other unaired videos, some really cool stuff. But if you don't want to be a part of that, the Patreon, that is okay, 100% totally fine. I am going to air some of the unaired stuff here on this channel for free. The Patreon really is just for helping out, getting that documentary off the ground and running. Can't wait for that. We'll be filming that in the next month or 2. Woo! Let's do it. Pumped. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribing, and lick that bell, because you know you don't want to miss my next video. I'm just Chris, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya. The thing you're about to see is kind of special, but also something I tried to bury. The lost episode of Toy Kings.
To bring that up, my book collection is worth a certain dollar amount. Right. However, it's also borderline worthless.
It's not freaky at all. It's just a human skull. It's just a human skull.